Hello everybody, how are you today? Today we study about English grammar. Is past simple? Please pay attention for watch. Past simple. Form. Subject plus verb 2, past tense. Example. We played tennis last Sunday. I worked as a teacher at high school from 1990 to 2005. I invited my girlfriend to my party. The police stopped him for speeding. Mary passed her exams because she had studied very hard. Negative form. Subject plus didn't plus verb y plus. Example. I didn't do anything last night because I went to bed early. I didn't buy that car because it was very expensive. I did go university yesterday morning. Question form. Did plus subject plus verb y plus. Example. Where did you go last night? Why did you buy that car the day before yesterday? Did you have suitable time to study English grammar? First definition. The past simple is used to express a finished action in the past. Example. Some of my friends and I arrived yesterday. Columbus discovered America in 1492. Second definition. The past simple is used to express action, which follow each other in a story. Example. I heard voice coming from downstairs, so I put on my dressing and went to investigate. James came into the room. He took off his coat and sat down on the bed. Third definition. The past simple is used to express a past state or habit. Example: I knew her when we studied at the same school. I used to go to work by walking from 1996 to 1996. When I was a child, we lived in a small house by the sea. We used to live a large house.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Example: